He's mine.
Let our dog go.
There's nowhere else to go.
Nowhere else to go, huh?
Whoa, what are you doing? Get in! Hey, stop!
It's all my dog!
No!
Toodles!
Is this guy a magician or something? He just disappeared! Hey, where'd he go? It's Clue's bandana! He's gone! Guys, he couldn't have just disappeared. There must be something down there that he escaped through. You're right, Chad. Look, there is something down there. Come on, let's get it, Rio. Something black.
What is it?
Oh, wow. What is it?
Whoa!
What the heck?
What is this?
It's a manhole cover. There's a hole in the jacuzzi. Guys, there's something bubbling up. Look, what is that? He went down that tunnel. We gotta go after him. Our dog's down there.
Okay.
Going down, okay. There's a drop up ahead. Hold on, no. Okay, I'm gonna save Clue. That clown is gonna pay. Oh, this sewer is disgusting. Guys, there's a hole down there. That's where they all went. That's where the clown went. That's where Clue is. And Shinobi went down too. Check it out. How deep is it? Oh, we don't even know. How long do you have to hold your breath? Breathe. They're pulling me. Come on.
Yo, what the heck? Oh, what is going on here? I can't believe that. We were able to just go down the jacuzzi like that. This is so gross. You guys know I don't like confined spaces. Clue is part of the Spy Ninja family, and we need to rescue him, so I'll just deal with it.
We have to save Clue, Chad.
B, you stay here. You can't swim.
You're a better swimmer than I am, Chad.
You're gonna come still, right?
Yes! To save Clue!
We're in this together.
You were in this together, but you first.
But okay, Chad?
I'll be back.
What the heck is this? There's a sewer tunnel down here. Oh, how convenient. There's a towel here.
Guys, Clue, where are you? I'm coming. Just hold out there. Clown, give me my dog back.
Oh, gosh! I forgot I'm not that good at it!
Okay, this is crazy. Whatever it takes to save this dog Clue.
Okay, everyone's gone. It's just me. I don't know how to swim, but I gotta save my dog Clue. I gotta figure something out here. I'm gonna put you guys down. Okay, got some goggles. This is a snorkel. I don't know if this is gonna work. Here we go, Clue. I hope we come out on the other end and we're both alive. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah!
What the heck is this? Clue? Hey, clown! I see you! Be my dog! Hey, no! You stupid clown! Let go of my dog! Me, Rio, Shinobi, Melvin! I found Clue! Follow my voice! Shinobi, take a towel.
Thank you.
Here, dry out.
Oh my god. Oh, Clue! You're gonna be okay!
Wait, I hear something. Who is it?
Oh my god.
Who's coming? Rio! Guys! Dude, I saw the clown, and the clown took our dog Clue through that door.
And there's these 3 buttons on the wall.
These buttons aren't gonna stop me. Yeah.
The buttons might not stop you, but the door will.
Wait up for me, guys! I'm coming up!
Melvin, is that you?
I'm coming up! Wait, Melvin! I'm coming out!
Melvin, come on!
Yeah!
Okay, dude, we gotta get through this door somehow. Wait, I remember this room, but it's like clownified now.
Creepy clown stuff. Emphasis on creepy. Look at this. Okay, this clown is a freak.
What the heck? Why is V's face on a glass bottle?
Another Twisted Carnival.
Okay, what else is in here? Oh, that looks bloody. I wouldn't touch that. Dirty hamper, a sink, an iPad. Oh, Melvin!
Nuts! What?
It has all our faces.
Look at that!
What the heck?
On balloons!
And the balloons match our colors, sort of.
What the heck? V!
You weren't supposed to come!
You were supposed. Oh, what the heck?
We gotta get our towel!
You got scuba gear?
gosh,
You weren't
V.
supposed to come, V.
She made me.
You don't know how to swim.
I gotta save Clue. I gotta save Clue.
Clue and the clown are on the other side of this door. We can't get through it.
There's 3 buttons up here. And we found an iPad over there.
Oh, look at this.
Took you long enough while you were dilly-dallying. Your dog told me. And that's an insult coming from him.
Clue? Clue, is that you? He's crying right now. He's whimpering. We gotta help him. So how do we get through this door?
Simple. Turn the light screen to open the door.
Did that clown just say we need to turn these 3 buttons from red to green and we can open the door?
This key should get us started. Let the games begin.
Hey, I'm sick of your stupid games.
Whoa.
Key! Thanks, clown! Wait, there's no keyhole.
Okay, these boxes, there's 3 of them here. Maybe a key will fit in one of these boxes?
Huh? It doesn't fit in the orange one.
Oh, Rio.
Nope, not the pink one either. It worked.
What's in it?
What's in the box?
The box.
Oh my gosh, what the heck? Sharp darts.
So we have 5 darts.
Wait, let's just connect the darts. The balloon's over here.
So we gotta pop our own faces with darts? Wait, there's something else in this box. Pop the one you like the least if you want to save your ghastly beast.
That's rude to call Clue a ghastly beast. He's a fluffy marshmallow.
What else is in the box?
Oh my gosh.
That's a weird picture of me.
You stupid clown. We're not gonna play your game. Just let Clue out.
You can hear him. He's so scared right now.
Why do you have to torture this poor dog?
Guys, we just gotta turn these 3 buttons green and the door unlocks. We gotta play a stupid game of popping the balloon.
You have 5 chances to pop the correct balloon, or Poochie gets it.
So which one is the right balloon?
He already gave a clue that it said the person you like the least. Who here is the least liked person?
He definitely likes me the least. He strapped a BOMB to my chest.
Okay, so throw a dart at your face.
I'm gonna hit the one right above V between Melvin, right there. Yes. This is for Clue.
Oh!
You hit a white one, what does that mean?
If you taste Clue, this will be the last thing you do.
He's gonna make us keep playing these stupid games. He's gonna keep hurting our dog until we beat his games. We're gonna beat you at your own game, clown. Once we get through this door, you're getting tased.
Let's look at all the hints that the crazy clown has given us. Look at all the balloons that we have.
There's a lot of white ones.
And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 V's. And there's only 1 Chad? That's kind of weird, right?
There's only one of me, and this note says the least. So there's the least balloons of my face.
Oh!
Dude! This is the first time I've ever popped my face. Although I have popped a couple pimples, I guess. You see my face go flying?
Oh, it turned green!
Oh my gosh! It turned green because we beat the first game. So we need to beat 2 more games and then we can go rescue Clue.
Look at this. I think there's a note inside of the balloon.
Wow.
That's weird. Okay, let's see. Bury your pride, stomach your fear. Reach in the dark for the prize hidden here.
All right, well, what do you think it means even though?
Guys, it says we gotta reach in somewhere dark. Let's find somewhere dark we need to reach into. We gotta be brave.
There's a Labubu down here. Oh, Labubu! Yeah!
Maybe like the sink?
Oh, I almost cut my hand off in there. Are you kidding me?
Did I get you? Is there blood everywhere?
Melvin, come look at this. This looks like a bottomless pit here. Do you think this is his makeshift toilet?
Latrine! Bury your pride, stomach your fear. Who's got the most pride and the least fear here? I think you're the most prideful, right?
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit. I guess we gotta play these games to save Clue. For Clue. Ew, it's all like warm.
Oh, it's warm.
He's going after Clue.
Rio, hurry, we gotta find what's in that bucket, quick!
Ew, what the heck? It's all squishy. Wait!
No, wait, no.
Oh no! I hope it's not what I did!
Oh my god.
Was I supposed to find a clue in there? Okay, I feel something that might have like a message on it or something that can help us.
Yeah, they're probably gonna open another box. Try this pink one.
Okay. Oh, there's a on top. A ring for V. Make it 3. if you want the key to victory. These rings are in here. We have to make it 3. We have rings. That's the key to victory, but make the rings on what?
Shinobi pointed this out earlier. All these random bottles. And when I see bottles and rings, I think circus.
I think you're right, Melvin. This clearly is a ring toss game. These bottles, they all have numbers and letters on them, right?
Guys, that wasn't the last thing in the box.
What is that? This guy has photos of me? Hey, you dumb clown! Act's over. Release Clue now!
Bring this over here. It says a ring for V, make it 3. We gotta get 3 on V? Yes! It's gotta be that. You know, since this clown seems to like Melvin so much, I'm going with the color green. Whoa! I hit it!
He's chasing Clue! You hear that?
We gotta make the stupid ring.
Okay, let's hurry.
Let's do it! I got this.
Come on.
Let's go!
Come on, Clue.
Let's up the stakes a little bit. Now you're being timed.
Right here. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
You only have 1 minute before time's up for Poochie Poo.
We got this!
Behind the yellow line!
Everyone at once, no?
All the way, go!
You got this!
Be right, we need the one with V!
There's 9 seconds left. We just gotta throw all of them at once. Ready?
Okay, go!
Yeah! 3 rings on the V.
Successful move, guys.
1 more to go.
We will save you, Clue!
Okay, guys, there's the process of elimination. There's 3 boxes here, and this is the only box that we haven't opened yet. Where's the key? Look at the bottles. There's letters on them or something. Yeah. H minus U?
Why don't we line the bottles up in numerical order?
Oh yeah. Wait. Okay, wait. Did we set it up properly? Denoria. What does that mean?
Okay, yeah,
I don't know, Ria, where I don't really know where the key is. That's maybe it's backwards. I don't think this is working, guys.
I think we're getting close, guys, but we just have everything in the wrong order. It's supposed to be L-A-U-N-D-R-Y.
Laundry. But what do these numbers mean?
There is a laundry bin right here.
So here's the laundry bin.
Yeah.
Towel. Oh my goodness, what is this?
What's that?
Looks like it's a map of some sorts.
Clue's Carnival. Are we in Clue's Carnival? It's all things that we've already done. Balloon darts, in the toilet, the ring toss, the laundry.
Oh gosh, we didn't do that one yet.
All right, look on the back. A1Z26. The key is something.
Okay, so this is what we're supposed to be solving here, right? We got a 2-letter word, and then we got a 5-letter word, and it says A1Z26. What does that correspond to, guys? That's like the alphabet.
Yeah.
So A is 1, Z is 26.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's figure this out here. 13th letter of the alphabet. M.
Yeah.
I need a writing utensil. Thanks, V. 13th. M.
Wait, can you write legibly? Let me write.
This is like, what even is that?
Shinobi pushed me.
I didn't touch you at all.
Shinobi pushed me and I slipped.
It's like a mitten.
V will write you an M.
All right, I'll do the brain stuff. 25th. Y. Y. M-Y. And we go 8. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
H?
Yes.
H.
Well, let's keep this ball rolling. -3. We got E.
-3.
Yeah, 8 minus 3 is 5. Are you following?
It's just 5.
I think the 5th letter of the alphabet is an
you
E.
guys. Oh my.
What's the interval between 8 and 5?
Oh,
it's 3.
3.
So H minus 3 is E. Dance. 1, A.
I mean, you could just make it more simple.
All right. Let's make it more simple then. 18th R.
Everyone knows.
Yeah. Everyone. 18th letter of the alphabet, R, right? And 20 is T. Thank you.
So it says the key is my heart. We got a diamond, a star, and we've got a heart.
But once you take it,
We'll soon be
Yeah.
apart. So we gotta rip it apart.
Yes.
All right, here we go. I'm ripping it apart.
Clues.
Ripping the heart apart.
Oh my gosh.
Get that orange box over here. Orange. Unlock. Shabam. We got it. Yeah.
no, another hint?
What else? Who's it gonna be a picture of this time?
Probably you.
You're right, it is me! That's me on the toilet!
Hey, you married this guy?
I don't know who you are, clown, but we are gonna solve this last red dot, turn it green, and get in this door and save our dog.
Wait. There was another letter. It says sink or swim. Where was some place that Rio almost lost his hand in?
Think over there.
I see a hint down there. I need to reach my hand down there and grab it, and I'll save Clue. Okay.
Dude, stop pranking us!
I'm not pranking you guys. I'm scared, just as scared.
That was a close one, Shinobi. Remember, anything that goes down there gets shredded.
That clown is gonna turn on that shredder and shred your fingers off.
Well, we gotta think of something. Does anyone have a plan?
What?
The clown said he's gonna shred anything we put down there. So that means he's watching us.
Wait, how is he watching us?
How's he watching you guys? Okay.
If you guys can distract the clown, I can reach down before he activates the shredder, and I can grab that hint.
Good thing we got a lot of dirty laundry. We're gonna cover up that camera with a towel. And then the clown can't see us. Shinobi will have a couple seconds to get his hand down there and not get shredded. Oh my gosh, it's so wet and humid down here.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna dry off my wet head. Stretch. Yeah. Yeah. Now's the time, Shinobi. Go.
Okay, I'm going! No, guys, I'm stuck! Come on, Oh my god!
Are you okay?
Yeah, my hand is okay, but it shredded up the hint a bit.
We can piece it together.
Okay, Okay, it says, lost, trust your nose, the nose knows.
Dang it! Oh, I really would have loved to see a handless Shinobi.
Get all your games, clown. Now let us through that door.
Next game, there's 2 piñatas in there. You have to break one of them. If you break the wrong one, say goodbye to Clue.
We've only found one, and that's this one. He said that there's multiple. Where's the other one?
Do these cupboards open up? No, they don't.
What, underneath here? Nothing.
Behind here. How do we know which one is the right one?
Well, let me see. There's one green one and one blue one. And he seems like he doesn't really like Melvin very much. So he probably wants us to beat up Melvin.
Clue says, trust your nose. The nose knows.
Tick-tock goes the clock.
Yeah, we have 1 minute to choose before he teases Clue. You have 20 seconds why we should pick one or the other.
But he wants us to, destroy the piñata, so we should pick the one that he doesn't like, which is this one, because he's obsessed with V and has a big nose.
But he says the nose knows, and this one has a big clown nose.
Is that like Pinocchio? Pinocchio lies? So maybe it's the green one?
And if the nose knows, that means this one knows how to open up the codes, and this one's gotta go. This one knows the code since it has the nose, and it knows that the code is inside of it because it knows.
What if it's nose, like no? Don't choose this one, choose this one.
We have 10 seconds left. What are we gonna do? All right, we gotta blow this nose.
This nose knows. I vote for the green nose.
Me too. Let's do it then, green.
Green Labubu.
Flash him. Hurry.
Go. No. It's the one with a clown nose. Bring it.
Rip his head off.
Did it work?
Okay, wait, we did it. Wait. It's green. We can open the door. Let's go. Yes. What? We're coming, Clue.
Oh, you're in a cage. Are you okay?
We're gonna get you out of there.
Watch your head, Shinobeans.
Work.
Oh, Clue, you're safe now.
We saved you, Clue. Yay!